Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, do you believe that this is tiger nut drink? Yes, it is. Very delicious, very refreshing, and very healthy. This is the best drink I've drank this month. Let me show you how I made it. Let's get started. Yeah, today we are making a liquid gold. You've not tried this kind of tiger nut drink before, so today we are making tiger nut drink. But we are not making only it. We're going to be using coconut, ginger. Now is the season of fresh ginger, so the ginger is still fresh and soft. I'll be adding the dates, and the star of the day is this beetroot. So I'll be using two beetroots. For those that normally ask me, where do you buy it? What's the beetroot? This is beetroot. But when I peel it, you will not see that reddish color. So I'll be using two beetroot for this. I've soaked my dry tiger nuts. This is after 2 days. Today is the third day. I soaked it 2 days ago. So today is the third day. I'm going to prep the coconut, the seed, this, and wash it. I've not washed it, that's why I can touch this coconut and this. But I'm not going to touch it because I've soaked it. So I'm going to deseed, open it, and deseed it. Let me show you. We're going to open this and remove the seed. The date is also soft, so that's why you can see this, and remove the seed. So this is what I'm going to do to all of them. I'm going to open it and the seed. Careful so that you don't knock on your hand. So I'll take it off camera and prepare everything. And here everything is ready. Here is my beetroot, washed, peeled off the skin, and cut it into cubes like this. I have the ginger. I have my dates. I soaked it in water so that it can be getting soft. I have also cut the coconut, broke the shell and cut the coconut. So we'll go ahead now and blend it. I'm not going to blend everything at once, so it will be batch by batch. So I'll start by adding some of the dates. Some of the tiger nuts. The ginger. The beetroot, the coconut. If you want to blend everything at once, you can take it to your grinding mill. And here we have our liquid gold made up of beetroots, ginger, dates, coconut, and the tiger nuts. Oh, if you want to relax like this, just drink this in the evening. Oh man, oh man, oh man, Treasure Kitchen, you're good. Oh my god. I'll transfer it into my jug and refrigerate. After leaving it for some hours in the refrigerator, you can now serve and enjoy your life. Guys, this beetroot and tiger nut drink is so good. It's so delicious. If you have been having problem drinking beetroot juice, this is the way. You will not get that beetroot taste, but it's going to give you one good taste. In fact, I cannot describe it, but this is so good. It's so good, and I'll be making this again and again and again. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to click the like button and also share the video. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.